Yeah, well, I would say that for sure. Pardon me? Some public video recording.
What kind of recording?
Just some public video recording.
Oh, you're not with the news for anybody.
No, just independent.
Oh, you're dressed so bright like you got... Well, stick around when it gets dark and watch these guys come at 65 miles an hour screaming down the road.
Oh, yeah?
Pleasant.
Yeah, I imagine it would be.
Laying rubber, yeah.
Big boys.
Then they all park there and talk about each other's cars and
Yep.
really loud, big men voices, right? Oh,
Yeah, kind of like mine.
So why do you want a movie about Penticton?
It's not a movie about Penticton. It's what I do is that I go around and I stress test the Charter of Rights. I go and I stress test that and see how people react to me video recording in public, right? To see if they call the police, and see if the police, when they are called, to see if they respect our rights and uphold what they've sworn to uphold, right? Which is our Charter of Rights instead of people's feelings. There's cameras all over the place, right?
Well,
So
do the police look at those cameras? Because they don't do anything about these guys screaming back and forth here until 2 in the morning.
no, they're not unless people complain. Right?
Well, we do.
Unless there's
we
a
call all
murder
the
or
time.
something.
Yeah,
They'll go
exactly.
look. If there's
But
an incident, yeah.
They're gonna call, because when they come, the person isn't driving up and down fast, right? So unless you have like a plate number or something like that, they're not gonna do anything.
Yeah, you can't, because we can't see. It's dark out and they're going so fast.
Well, and this is what's wrong with the society now, is that we think there's so many people in this world that think it's perfectly okay that to go and assault someone just because they don't like what they're doing. Right, like those are the people I worry about. Those are the people that I want locked up in mental institutions and lock away the keys, because those are the people that are lunatics and sociopaths. Those are the people that have zero emotional control.
You're preaching to the choir.
Yeah. So
just come some night and sit and watch. I mean.
Oh, I will. Trust me, I'll be out in the summertime and stuff
over
more.
Here. They all gather over here.
Gather right there. They just park.
All right over there.
And they zoom with their trucks or their low riders, and they're unmuffled and they're noisy, and then they lay rubber.
They lay rubber like for 2 blocks. They've done that.
That's crazy.
It's just about worn off now. No,
but the city's looking at doing something now. They just haven't decided what. They just did a questionnaire asking people where's the worst area on Lakeshore.
Oh yeah.
What would you like to see? Cameras, enforcement.
Right.
What's your solution to the problem? What do you see as the problem, and what's your solution?
And what do you think the solution should be?
Well, I said down there at Power, the fire pit is the problem. There's been 2 murders down there. You need a camera down there, and you need more police presence up and down there. Tell your cops to come sit here and do their paperwork at night.
Right.
Just a presence.
Right.
And go after this with the noise bylaw and the mufflers.
Right.
Enforce the rules.
Right.
Enforce the bylaws that already exist, and we'll have no problem. We don't need more cops.
So,
but maybe the other areas of town have problems. I don't even know about it. I just know about this problem here, and I know about the fire pits. It's
the thing is, it should be easy to fix, because those guys, they're all thinking they're so smart. If you give them a big fat ticket, their feelings will be real hurt, because they're not that
just
smart.
park the cop car there. They would know that they shouldn't be revving and racing.
Right.
They're going to know it without even getting a ticket.
Well, they need to get a ticket, and they need to have their cars impounded if they don't pay the ticket.
What the city will probably do is put speed bumps down here, and then we're all going to suffer.
Yeah, most likely.
It's not a perfect
At least they'll be
solution.
safer, that a car's not going to flip and hit a pedestrian.
Right.
A ball rolls out on the road and they swerve or whatever.
Right, that's very true.
Distracted. Yeah, somebody can really get hurt, because this promenade now is, cars come right off this curb. I don't know if you're from here or if you know the history.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, I'm not from Penticton. I'm originally from Ontario, but I've been here for like 3 years now, I think it is.
The promenade used to be, you parked here and then you had to come down about 4 feet to the promenade. So if a car went over the curb, which often they do, especially trucks, because you can't see, and their undercarriage would get hung up on that wall where it dropped down, so they couldn't come and do damage. But I've seen cars go right over this curb, not here, but more down where it's flush with the concrete.
Right.
You're pushing a baby buggy. just about take out a baby a couple times, some mother and a baby.
Jeez.
Because the truck, they can't sense and see the curb. It's not high enough, or
Right. A lot of them have tinted windows, and a lot of the undercover cop cars. So when the people are in the power to uphold the law, right, also technically break the law for whatever reason it may be, for their own protection, so people can't see into the car, whatever it may be, because you're circumventing the law in yourself, right? A lot of people take umbrage to that. They're like, well, why should I? Why, if the cop car can have it, right, or these undercover cop cars can have it, why can't I?
Well,
right? You know what I mean?
There
It's
is a reason.
I'm sure there is, but
but
that's why it's very imperative that the cops, right, try to do their best to not circumvent laws themselves, right?
An undercover cop is usually undercover. He's not wearing a uniform, so he could sit there with being visible in his front seat, right? He doesn't need to be blacked out. Part of the problem
somebody
is
gets killed.
they are RCMP, Royal Canadian Mounted Police. Their duty is to do federal work.
Right.
But they're here in a city. Then they go provincial, and then they got the city. Well, we need a city police force. That's what's wrong. It's the infrastructure is wrong for this whole valley needs their own police force, or each city has to have their own police force.
Right.
Because RCMP are mandated to do bigger things. You know.
Correct.
That's their mandate.
Correct.
So that's part of the big problem. That's why we don't have traffic cops per se, because they've got time.
Right. It's true. It's just why there's a lot of speeding that I see that people get away with.
Anyway, what are you going to do with this video now?
Well, I never know. I never know until I'm done. Like, I have a YouTube channel.
What's your name?
David.
David.
What's your name?
Nancy.
Nancy. Nice to meet you. Your name?
Bryn.
Bryn?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Standing here, we complain a lot about what goes on down here.
Yeah, well, hey, you never know. Maybe if I put you in the video, maybe your complaints will be heard.
Some people have gone out and said, look, I've got children that are trying to sleep. Can you please turn it down? And they do.
Right.
But I still don't want to be the one out there asking them to turn it down.
Those were just people on the beach, though, that were sort of
No,
partying.
they were street people.
Oh, were they?
And Jill went out there and talked to them. That's her name. Anyway, the toilet's calling for me. We have to go. Oh.
Yeah.
All right, you guys have a good one. Thanks for the conversation. Appreciate you, ladies. Have a great night. Enjoy yourselves.
Jordan, right?
David.
David.
Oh my God, I got a brother named David. This way.
No worries. Maybe we'll cross here, go down there. Looks like there's an ambulance down there. Well, let's see if they're down there, because there's something going on, or just down there doing some paperwork or something. And then 63916. SH 9610.